Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I have a very exciting video for you today because I have one of the Chanel heart bags from the spring 2022 collection. This bag made headlines when it debuted on the runway and I was able to get one of them. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I don't like to drag it out, but here is the shopping bag. Now this did arrive in the mail. My SA is located at a boutique that is far from me. So it actually arrived at the boutique last Saturday, the 19th, and then I just got it yesterday. So here is the shopping bag, but here is the box. And you can probably tell, you can probably guess what size heart bag I got because it is very small. Here is the dust bag. So it is, I think this is a shoe dust bag because I mean, I got the small one, obviously. So I got the small heart bag in black. And it was very nicely packaged. The chain was all wrapped up in tissue to protect the bag. Look how cute, you guys. How stinking cute is this? Okay, so this is the small heart bag. That is the back. Look at that tiny little back pocket that holds nothing. But let me get into the details if you are interested in this bag. It might still be available, who knows? I mean, I don't know what date the runway show debuted where this became available, but my SA asked me, you know, would I be interested in reserving one of the heart bags? And I was like, say less. Yes, I am interested, very much so. I considered the larger one because I'm a big bag girl, but I decided to get the smaller size because I really don't have any mini bags and I don't need larger bags. Like, I'm at a point in my collection. I did my entire luxury handbag collection video. If you want to check that out, I show all my handbags. And because I have so many larger bags, I was like, you know, it's okay now to have like a novelty mini bag that I could use just because it's cute, even though it's not really functional. So I decided to go with the small one. So I'll show you what this comes with. It has the little Chanel booklet here with, I guess, the care instructions, and then the receipt right here. Here's the authenticity card. And the price is $3,400. So the official name of this is called the Heart Clutch with Chain. So it's not considered a bag. I guess it's more of a clutch, like a wallet on chain. So the hardware is I guess it's a champagne gold. It looks silver in some lighting, but it actually is a yellow gold, but a very pale yellow. And so I like champagne gold because it pulls silver or yellow gold, depending on, you know, how you style it and how you wear it. Okay, so it has one zipper as opposed to the larger size, which has two zippers. And then the zip across here is just very straight. But look how cute this little zipper pull is. It's a little heart zipper pull with the double C's. And then there is the back. The chain is attached on either side of the zipper right there. And then, oh, and then the front has a flap. There's the turn lock clasp and then the pocket. And it holds nothing, you guys. I don't know what I could keep in here. It's kind of a shallow pocket. It's obviously a heart pointy shape on the bottom. I would keep maybe a hair tie in here. So when you open it up, you have this here, and it has the signature kind of a burgundy lining inside, the Chanel tag made in France. And then there is the serial code right there because, again, I was surprised that this comes with the authenticity card and it has the serial kind of date code in there because I thought all Chanel bags are microchip now, but I guess that's just only the classic flaps. So this still has the serial number and the authenticity card. And speaking of cards, here is the back pocket, and it is very small. It does fit kind of a standard size credit card. So here's the authenticity card just to show you, and you can kind of fit it in there. Put another one in here. My Barnes & Noble member card also fits in there. So there's the two cards kind of stuck in there. Okay, so again, there is the inside, and it is not spacious. This is not a roomy, spacious bag at all, but I will show you what fits in here because I was actually kind of surprised. Now I have a 6 key holder here, and this actually shockingly does fit inside. It doesn't fit standing up, just grazes the top zipper, and so you can't close it, even if it's kind of shoved all the way, you know, in here because, I don't know, I guess there's kind of space there. But if you put it in sideways, this does fit just enough. However, the corners, as you can see, are right there on both sides. The the corners of the 6 key holder. So you really need to kind of shove it down in there in order to then close the zipper all the way. I'm just showing you like the max size that this can hold. I don't know if I would recommend it, because the more you keep stuff in here, the wider it gets, and then probably the more problems you might have trying to zip it shut. And then because it's so close to the edge, I try not to have anything super close to the edge, because you don't want anything getting caught. It might catch the glazing on the 6 key holder. So try to steer clear of the zippers if you can. Here is another LV pocket organizer. This is from the Cloud collection from a couple years ago. And again, it doesn't fit. And if you put it sideways, it does not fit either. So it doesn't fit. I'm just showing you what doesn't fit. Now, what it does fit, however, definitely not your phone. Here is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Obviously, this doesn't fit. Even an iPhone, I think this is an iPhone 10. This does not fit either, okay? Don't try to fit a standard smartphone in here. Now, what it does fit is, I have a packet of tissues here. And if you stick this right in the middle and you can kind of shove it down, it does fit this in here quite comfortably. And then you still have some room on the sides here. I have a little tube of Fenty Gloss Bomb here on the side. And let's see if I can fit this Advil container in here. And oh, okay, so that does fit. So it's pretty much at max capacity here with those 3 items, the tissues, Gloss Bomb, and mini Advil. Okay, a hair tie. That is all that I would fit in this front pocket. Perfect. I am good to go with my Chanel heart bag. So let me do some mod shots for you guys. And by the way, my outfit of the day is this denim 7 for All Mankind denim jumpsuit romper that I got through Rent the Runway. And then I have my slides from Nisolo shoes. Here is the little heart bag swinging around with my sandals. And I am, for reference, about 5 feet tall. I'm very short, maybe 5 feet and half an inch. And the bag hits me right at like the widest part of my hips, I think, right there. So that's it as a crossbody. How adorable is this? So yeah, to wear this bag, you really need to have an outfit that has pockets for your phone. Super cute little heart bag from Chanel. So what do you guys think of the heart bag? I will say that I was probably not on board with it when I first saw it, because I don't know, I just was like, I'm always about practicality and functionality. And to me, you know, what would I do with a bag that I can't carry my phone in? Once I reassessed my collection, I realized I don't have just like a cute, tiny, silly bag that really just makes a statement on its own. I just think it's so cute. It's just such a special piece, because Chanel has not released a heart bag, I guess, in, I don't know when they last, it was like the 70s or something. It's just such a unique and rare item that once you're at a point where you have such a large handbag collection and all your needs are met in terms of practicality and use, it's okay to just have a fun piece that is just a conversation starter, I guess. Something that is just so cute to look at. So I really like it, and I plan to use this. And I did mention in my other videos that my husband and I are trying to go out more on date nights and whatnot. So I definitely see myself using this. This definitely won't be like an everyday errand bag. I won't be bringing this to my kids' soccer practices and stuff. But once in a while, it's fun to have a little bag that really serves no purpose other than to be really cute. So this is the small Chanel heart bag, or they call it the heart clutch on chain. Let me know what you guys think about this bag or the other heart bags. There is, again, the larger size that I also considered, and then like the micro heart bag, which I guess can be worn on the wrist. And then I think there was maybe a waist or a belt heart bag. I don't know. This probably was the best fit for me if I didn't get the large one. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.